March 9th. Put people in their strength zones. To the 17 indisputable laws of teamwork, the law of the niche says, all players have a place where they add the most value. When leaders really get this, the teams they lead perform at an incredible level, and it reflects positively on those leaders. I don't think it is an exaggeration to say that the success of a leader is determined more by putting people into their strength zones than by anything else. When I was in high school, I was fortunate to have a coach who understood this. During one of our varsity basketball practices, our coach, Don Neff, decided he wanted to teach us a very important lesson about basketball. He got the first and second string teams out on the floor to scrimmage. That wasn't unusual. We scrimmaged all the time. Our second team had some good players, but clearly the first team was much better. This time he had us do something very different from the norm. I was normally a shooting guard, but for this scrimmage, I was asked to play center. And as I recall, our center was put in the point guard position. We were instructed to play to 20, but the game didn't take long. The second team trounced us in no time. When the scrimmage was over, Coach Neff called us over to the bench and said, "Having the best players on the floor isn't enough. You have to have the best players in the right positions." I never forgot that lesson. It doesn't matter what kind of a team you're leading. If you don't place people in their strength zones, you're making it almost impossible for them and you to win. Make sure your team members are in their strength zones.